Welcome to the Hot Dog Cart Business Plan presentation. This podcast will guide you through our comprehensive business strategy, covering all key aspects of launching and operating a successful hot dog cart venture. Now let's examine our SWOT analysis. Our strengths include high-quality ingredients, a mobile and flexible business model, experienced owners, and low startup costs. Weaknesses to address are limited menu options and dependence on weather and location factors. Continuing with SWOT analysis, our opportunities include expansion into catering services, partnerships with local businesses, new location development, and future franchise sales in major U.S. cities. Potential threats include competition, regulatory changes, and food cost fluctuations. The global food and beverage industry was valued at $7.5 trillion in 2020, projected to reach $9.4 trillion by 2025 with a CAGR of 4.7%. We're adapting to growing demand for healthier options while identifying untapped niches in the hot dog cart sector with plans for national franchising. Our marketing plan targets all age groups with no restrictions on educational level, income, ethnicity, language, or lifestyle. We'll operate in diverse geographical locations to maximize market reach and customer accessibility. Our promotional mix combines traditional and digital marketing. Traditional methods include branded cards, direct mail, print media, broadcast advertising, OOH placements, trade shows, and referral programs. Digital strategies encompass social media, influencer partnerships, email marketing, SEO, and mobile marketing. Our social media marketing plan includes chatbots, diverse content strategies, personalized customer experiences, brand advocates, and cross-channel campaigns across relevant platforms. Pricing strategies will incorporate penetration, value-based, cost-based, and competition-based approaches. Sales channels will include referral partners, affiliate networks, and strategic alliances utilizing the 4Ps marketing mix. Our inventory strategy prioritizes freshness, quality, and timely availability while minimizing waste. We'll implement a clear return policy to ensure customer satisfaction. We accept multiple payment options including credit, debit cards, cash, electronic payments, PayPal, Venmo, checks, and bank transfers. Our return policy offers corrections for incorrect orders with credit card reimbursements and cash adjustment procedures, requiring items returned in original containers. Our operational plan includes state-of-the-art equipment with regular maintenance schedules, standardized production processes, defined staffing roles and shifts, comprehensive customer service policies, strict health and safety protocols, and integrated sales and marketing strategies. A typical day involves cart setup, grill, condiment station, equipment, food preparation, customer interaction, inventory management, cart maintenance, financial tracking, and end-of-day cleaning and shutdown procedures to ensure operational excellence. Our production process includes meat grinding with spices, casing stuffing, cooking, boiling, smoking or grilling, and packaging. Service procedures follow a structured workflow from cart setup and food preparation to condiment application, order completion, payment processing, cleanliness maintenance, and closing protocols. Our growth plan involves franchise expansion into major U.S. cities with large populations and thriving food scenes, including Austin, Miami, San Diego, New York City, and Boston. The exit strategy includes family succession with established structures for smooth generational transfer. We'll secure funding through personal savings, small business loans, crowdfunding platforms, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, applicable grants, investor partnerships, and friends and family investments to support our launch and growth initiatives. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.